Thank you for tuning in to LockeyUSA videos. This video will demonstrate how to install a 2835 and 2835 DC mechanical combination lever lock. You will need to follow the 2835 instruction document as you watch this video. To download the 2835 instructions, please go to www.LockeyUSA.com/product/2835. Step 1. Change the user code if you wish to do so. If you would like to watch an instructional video on how to change the code, visit www.LockeyUSA.com/resources. Step 2. Prep the door for installation with the template. Place the template on the door and fold it along the door's edge. Drill holes as marked on the template. For doors with an existing 2 1/8 inch door prep, you will only need to drill the top screw hole as shown in this video. Step 3. Identify the door handing. While standing on the outside of the door, if the hinges are on the right, you have a right-handed door. If the hinges are on the left, you have a left-handed door. For right-hand doors, install the support pin in position A as shown in Figure 3 of the 2835 instruction document. For left-hand doors, install the support pin in position B. Next, install the hex bolts into the top and bottom of the outside lock body. Step 4. Install the lever handles. Using the supplied Allen wrench, install the levers to the inside and outside lock bodies. Secure each lever to the lock body with a set screw. Note that the levers must point towards the hinges. Step 5. Adjust the latch if necessary and install. The adjustable latch is preset to a 2 3/8 inch back set. If you need a 2 3/4 inch back set, remove the plastic plug and slide the latch to the desired position. Reinsert the plastic plug to secure the latch. Once the correct size is determined, install the latch using 2 wood screws and a Phillips screwdriver. Step 6. Verify the correct spindle length. Hold the inside lock body and rubber trim plate to the door. Then place the spindle through the latch and into the inside lock body as far as possible. The spindle should only extend 3/8 of an inch minimum to 5/8 of an inch maximum. If the spindle extends less than 3/8 of an inch, it may not engage the lock. If the spindle extends more than 5/8 of an inch, it will cause the lock to bind. Cut the spindle to the correct length if it is too long. Step 7. Install the lock. Place the rubber trim plate on the back side of the outside lock body and place the lock body on the door. Insert the spindle through the latch into the outside lock body, ensuring that it is in the proper angled position. From the inside, the spindle on left-hand doors must be at a 10 to 4 o'clock position. The spindle on right-hand doors must be at a 2 to 8 o'clock position. Place the rubber trim plate and inside lock body on the inside of the door. Using a Phillips screwdriver, secure the lock to the door with 2 M4 screws. Test the function of your lock and then install the strike plate. If your lever must be turned up to unlock, you will want to change the spindle position or angle. Refer to Step 7. If your latch sticks, make sure the support pin is in place and verify the correct spindle length. Refer to Step 6. Test the lock. Press the C button to clear the pins, followed by your combination. Push down on the lever and the lock will open. Test the passage mode. Press the C button, followed by your combination, followed by the Y button, and the lock will remain unlocked in passage mode. Disable the passage mode. Press the Y button followed by the C button and the lock will remain locked.